Oh well, it looks like you're dressed for a party.
Yeah.
Going to a race? Hopefully not.
Yeah, I wish.
What's the costumes all about?
Huh?
What's the costumes all about?
Oh, it's just the way they like us to dress.
Uniform,
Really?
Yeah.
Who likes you to dress like that?
I can't tell you. Oh, she'd get embarrassed.
Can't tell us leadership or keeping secrets from their people.
Is that your diary?
Yeah, of course it is.
Is that a business diary or?
Pleasure. Business. Depends.
Oh, is it for the service?
But that's interesting. But that'll make an interesting read.
So what's your plan for
Once I'm
tonight?
finished reading it,
What's
I will
my
return
plan?
to the nearest station.
My plan is to do whatever I'm told to do.
That's very compliant of you.
It is, isn't it?
That's good in a compliant state.
It is, it's great, isn't it? Can I just take your details, please, fella? Can you ask why? I'll explain in a minute. I'll take all your details and I'll explain why.
Well, do we have to give you any details? Do we have to give you any
Well,
details?
especially one of your details, because you were there when it kicked off on Monday night, the other night, because I had a long chat with you for hours and hours and hours on the
So
tip.
what do you need
Because
details
I think you've got
for?
a camera in there, haven't you?
Yes, I certainly have.
Yeah, because you tried to film us all.
No, I do film you all.
You spoke to my inspector at length, didn't you?
Yes. Good bloke.
Yeah.
Nice bloke.
So that's why we just want to know who it is who's around.
Well,
Because you're potential witnesses, aren't you?
To what?
What went on that night? Because there's bottles thrown and stuff like that. You are potential witnesses, because you must have seen something, surely.
Seen what? When? What, when I was standing with you guys?
Yeah.
I was talking to you guys. How
you
can
were
I
there.
see anything that gets thrown at you?
You were there, but then you were also at different areas all during the night when stuff was going on.
Of course I'm going to be at different areas, otherwise I'd be static.
You seem to be following the trouble. That's why.
What trouble? I didn't see any trouble.
Oh, okay, you didn't. So that's why I want to tell you what those details. That's all.
I can understand that.
Unfortunately, you're in company with people who were there on Monday, so that's the association. What's your name, Peter?
So these always with the benefits.
Are we obliged to give you any information if we haven't broken the law?
You don't have to. I'll just take your full description. I intend to search you all anyway to make sure you've got nothing that could be involved in any incident, any crack or anything else.
How are you going to get my consent to search me when you've not seen me break any law?
I suspect that you might be involved in something later on, okay?
You suspect that I might be involved in something later on?
The reason why I'm going to search you is to make sure you've got no weapons on
I
you.
do not
or anything
consent
that
to
might
any
be used for criminal
searches.
damage.
You best speak to your inspector, sir.
I don't need to. I've got the powers to do so, and I can
Well,
do it
I'm
by
not
force if I
consenting
need
to any
do so.
search.
But then I'll have to force you to do so,
You
alright?
don't have to force me to do anything.
Well, then you comply with the search.
I'm not complying to no search because I haven't broken any law.
Right, I've just
I've been
explained to
sitting
you
here
the reason why I'm going
peacefully,
to,
minding
alright?
my own business.
I'll tell you who I am, okay? My PCP is from West Supermare Police Station. Alright, I intend to
Look,
search
mate,
you
I'm
for the
not
grounds
trying-
I've told you, alright? There's been a disturbance on Monday, you were in and around it in several locations at that time. Okay, there's still the potential for it to go off. I am now going to search you to make sure you've got nothing on you which could
For
be
my
related to causing criminal damage.
peaceful actions,
Okay?
you want to search
You
me?
are detained for the search. I've given you your entitlements.
You haven't given me no reasons, reasonable
Your
grounds for a
entitlements are
search.
you can get a copy of the search within 3 months.
It's because of
what happened on Monday.
Yeah, all right. So
what went on that involved me on
What has that
Monday?
got to do with
my
anything?
colleague
Huh?
said that
If
you
he's standing with you at that point, then
Because I believe you may well have been involved.
All I was doing was talking to your inspector.
Yeah, well, I wasn't
Basically.
there,
Well,
but
you
my
told
colleague was.
So I suggest that
Past is distant memory.
I don't hate this in this.
Constructed in our minds. The only time is now.
Well, could a couple more just drift this way? One doesn't want to be searched, so he might have to be helped to be searched.
That's the reason why, sir, all right? Because
yeah, I'm not consenting to any search. I haven't broken any law. Do you know what I mean? What is this? Is this some kind of police state?
Down here is the bear pit.
I thought we was policed by consent.
No, of course it's not.
No, we're not policed by consent
No,
anymore.
if I intend to search you and you want to do it by consent, and I've got the grounds to do so, I can do it using force.
So what grounds?
I just told you.
That doesn't say.
What grounds? What have I done wrong?
Have you told us with?
You've been in and around the situation which happened.
Alright.
Bizarre. Been in and around on Monday night.
Am I being detained right now?
Yeah, you are.
Under what authority?
Under Section 1 of PACE, the Police and Criminal Evidence Act.
And what does PACE have to
1984.
do with me? You're the ones that are bound by the statutes and acts, not me, my friend.
No, I'm using my powers under Section 1.
But isn't
Okay,
equality
to search
before the
you.
law paramount and
I'm not
mandatory?
going to argue with you. I intend to search you.
Are you standing under your
Do you
oath?
intend to search compliantly or not?
Are you standing under your oath today, sir? Are you going to
Do you
honour
intend
your
to be
oath?
searched compliantly or not?
Are you honouring your oath?
Okay. Do you intend to be searched?
Are you honouring your oath?
I'm not going to answer your questions, all right? I'm asking you. Do you agree to be searched
Are
compliantly?
you honouring your oath?
Thank you very much.
I intend to search you. Okay?
Sir, don't touch me, don't touch me. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey.
Why are you touching me?
Don't struggle.
Why are you
Don't
touching me?
struggle with me.
Why are you touching me?
I intend to search you. I intend to search you.
He needs
I
to
haven't
chill
broken
out.
any law.
Right? I intend to
very
search you.
aggressive.
What are you doing? Why do you need my arm to
I
search
don't
me?
think
What are you
he's
I'm going
doing?
to search you properly.
What are you doing?
I'm going to search you. That's
What
what
are
I'm
you
going to do.
doing?
I'm only going to search
What are
you.
you doing?
Please leave our friend
Use the tape
alone.
for search.
What are you doing?
Don't become threatening towards
I'm
me.
not becoming threatening.
You
You're the
are.
one.
Blow that arm. Blow that arm,
I'm
please.
using this. I'm using this for evidence. I've not broken any law. Now this man is breaking the law.
I'm only searching you.
Yeah, and I haven't broken any
Just
law.
explain it to him. Just explain it to him. Let go of me, please.
Let go of him, I'll go of you.
No, let go of me, please.
Look, Why are you holding me?
Please.
Why are you holding me? Can you stop this man from assaulting me, please? I've not broken any law. What are you doing?
I only tend to search you, fella.
Why do you want to grab
I only
my
tend to
arm?
search you.
Why are you grabbing my arm?
Not breaking your arm.
Why are you doing this? I've got a broken rib. Why are you doing this?
Come compliantly then.
Why do I
Come
need to?
compliantly.
What have I broken? What law
I
have I
told you I
broken?
intend to detain you for search.
What
okay?
law have I broken?
So come over here.
Sir,
Sit on this wall.
what
I'm
is
happy to
this?
sit on this wall. Sit on the wall if you want to.
No. This is evidence, mate.
It might well
I've
be
not
evidence,
broken
right.
any law.
Sir.
I've not broken any law. Why is he doing this? What are you doing?
Look,
What are you
get out.
doing?
I can use force.
Look
if
what
needs be.
you've done. Look what you've done to my arm.
Right, I'm going to detain you for search.
Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing? Is it in your powers to do this?
So,
Under what authority?
on section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, right? Now
Why
I
are
know
you
you
doing
comply. Give me the other arm, please.
Can you film this?
Give me the other arm, please.
No, why do I need to
other arm,
comply? I've broken no law. You
Give me
take
the
me
other
to the
arm,
station.
What
Well,
are you doing
yeah,
here?
I want to see your inspector.
What are you doing?